What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to convert text or transform text into a PDF file on your mobile phone. This method will work on any mobile phone type, whether you own an iPhone or an Android. And we're going to do so through the Google Docs app. Now you can download the Google Docs app for free from the Play Store or the App Store. And once you download it, this is how it'll look like. Just open it. And now here you can create a new file, or if you have already your text saved in a Google Docs file, you can go ahead and transform it into a PDF. However, I'm going to start with a brand new file. So I'm going to tap on the plus icon here at the bottom right. Okay, choose a new document. And now on title, let's say test. Okay, create. And here I'm going to type in my text. So I'm going to randomly type in any text. Of course, you want to type in your text, or if you have it copied from another document, go ahead and paste it right here. And once you have done so, go ahead and tap on the three dots at the top right here. And then here you have the share and export here near the bottom. Tap on it. And here you can save it as a Word or as a copy, save a link. However, we want to save it as a PDF. And to do so, we are going to tap on print here. And then from the printing page right here, tap on the share icon, which is the box with the arrow on top at the top right here next to the print word. Tap on it. And here scroll down and then choose the save to files option. And then here just rename it. Let's say test.pdf. And now you can save, or of course choose the location on your phone and then tap on save to save your text as a PDF file.